This is required reading for leaders sick and tired of tiny commissions and dead MLM downlines. This is your MLM wake-up call and must read for anyone wanting to work from home. Hi, this is Campbell. I live on the west coast of Australia. Okay, so why am I revisiting this letter that was written in 2008 here in 2016? Well, in the commentary below the video here, I've written some of my thoughts. I believe it's even more relevant now in 2016 than way back in 2008 when it was written by Mike Dillard. Why? Well, Herbalife recently got a $200 million slap from the government. Now, the government wants MLMers to retail more to justify their existence. They want the emphasis on retailing, and that means more effort for even lower returns. Now more than ever, we need to pay attention to this letter. The full video version of Mike Dillard's famous coffee house letter is contained in the above video. But the thing is, the big money you need today, not in 3 to 5 years' time when you maybe or maybe not have huge downlines, which is what the letter goes into. So if you're in MLM to create lifestyle income that is so proudly promoted by the superstars, then unless you're making at least $20,000 a month, then you're way off the pace, I feel. After taxes and expenses, you're probably left with about $3,000 a week. That's sort of okay if there's only one of you, but it's still not lifestyle income. I feel $50,000 a month is where lifestyle income starts. Now you're starting to get some traction. Now you're starting to see this kind of lifestyle incomes the superstars are talking about with all the trappings of wealth and material possessions. It's important to get real about the figures. You need to reevaluate your current MLM and don't join a new one unless you can figure out what it would personally take to make lifestyle income. Remember that you cannot factor in the income from a massive downline because they need years to build up and don't happen for more than 90% of the participants. You need to work out what you can earn from your personal efforts mostly, and realize that the MLM leveraged income may kick in over 2 to 5 years if it happens at all. If you cannot make $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 or $15,000 a sale, you should know that you're selling yourself short in relation to your time, effort and energy. So that's just a few of my comments about getting real with the incomes that can be earned from personal efforts or leveraged downline efforts. You can get a download of the video in slide format PDF from this download link in SlideShare. Okay, that's it for now. I'll talk more about this a little bit later. This is required reading for leaders sick and tired of tiny commissions and dead MLM downlines. This is your MLM wake-up call and must read for anyone wanting to work from home.